Hi guys, so welcome back. So in this video we're going to be making an elephant head. So it's roughly about 24 pages and I've used card paper for this, as you can see. And I've used white because I really wanted grey but I didn't have grey, so I'm just going to go and paint off later. So the things that you need is a ruler, a Sharpie, scissors, and also a mat to line out your lines with the Sharpie. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut all of these and come back once I've cutted all of them. Okay, so after cutting everything, we're just going to get our ruler and our cutter and we're going to simply line them really carefully, making sure you're not going to cut right from the middle. So you see these lines, that means they're going outwards. And these lines, that means they have to go inwards. Like that. And that's going out. This is going in. That's going in as well. And so is the other one. And just go ahead and do that for the rest of them as well. So as you can see, I've just gone ahead and done that for all of them, and it tells you what part it is. So this is the muzzle of the elephant and it's got all of the numbers. So they recommend you start from the tusk. So we're going to put all of these aside and get the tusk, and I'll show you what they're talking about.
I am floating out to sea. Yeah, contrary to popularly, I ain't invincible, not even close. I'm just a little girl, a failure to most. I'm a flower left for days. Oh, this bitter world, she's out for my I am floating out to sea. Yeah, contrary to popularly, I ain't invincible, not even close. I'm just a little girl, a failure to most. I'm a flower left for days. Oh, this bitter world, she's out for my where are you now? You've left me stranded on the ground. I'm a flower left for days. Oh, this bitter world, she's out for my she's out for my. I am going, gone so long. I'm going, gone. Going, gone. So going, gone. She's out for my. She's out for my. am floating out to sea. Yeah, contrary to popularly, I ain't invincible, not even close. I'm just a little girl, a failure to most. I'm a flower left for days. Oh, this bitter world, she's out for my Where are you now? You've left me stranded on the ground. I'm a flower left for days. Oh, this bitter world, she's out for my she's out for my I am going, gone so long. I'm going, gone, going, gone, so going, gone. She's out for my. I am floating out to sea. Yeah, contrary to popularly, I ain't invincible, not even close. I'm just a little girl, a failure to most. I'm a flower